Hello, my name is Venkat Tanvantri, Vice President of R&D in the Digital and Sign-Off Group, and I'm responsible for machine learning product development here at Cadence. As engineering teams start new designs or move to new process nodes, often the implementation flow needs to be tuned and optimized. This is currently a manual iterative task which can easily take the expert designers many months to complete. As designs grow in size and complexity, a more efficient and automated way to optimize the design implementation is necessary. Cerebrus is an innovative ML-driven product that enables engineers to quickly and automatically optimize a design implementation based on the Cadence full flow to deliver the best power and performance results. Cerebrus is able to generate an optimized full flow in a matter of days compared to many weeks of manual effort, which enables designers to complete blocks much more quickly. By using Cerebrus, engineering teams can work on more blocks concurrently, improving the productivity of the whole team. Cerebrus uses distributed machines and is cloud-enabled. So if there is not enough on-premise compute resources, scalable cloud computing can be easily utilized. Cadence products have proven advanced PPA algorithms, and this, coupled with ML, will be a game changer. Designer starts with an initial RTL and an existing Cadence base flow. Also, Designer provides the goals to guide Cerebrus optimization to either get better timing, power, or a combination of both. Based on customer goals, Cerebrus will create a number of full flow scenarios that will modify the existing flow in some way. It is important Cerebrus considers the complete RTL to GDS full flow during the optimization, as flow changes during genus synthesis will affect later flow changes during innovus. If only one stage of the flow is considered, you will never find the optimal PPA solution. Scenarios range from simple tool options to complex high-level systems such as floor plan optimization, which uses the innovus mixed placement technology to concurrently resize the floor plan shape and place the macros. Each of these scenarios generates metrics which is then fed into reinforcement ML engine in real time to enable flow optimization decisions to be made quickly. Due to the number of design and full flow variables, it is not computationally practical to run every possible combination of variables and pick the best result. Cerebrus is based on a powerful reinforcement machine learning engine as each scenario generates metrics. The RL engine is quickly learning which scenario is converging on the designer specified goals. The RL engine efficiently explores both across the breadth of scenarios and across the depth of the full flow phases throughout the full flow using a continuous rewarding mechanism. If a full flow scenario is not generating improved results, then the reinforcement learning engine will terminate that run immediately and use the workstation for a different flow scenario. In this way, Cerebrus makes efficient use of the available compute resources. The RL model is automatically saved to transfer full flow learnings from one design to another, helping Cerebrus converge even faster, providing a significant productivity boost. To accelerate the learning process, the user can define how many machines will be used to run the different scenarios in parallel. A typical setup would use about 20 machines. Cerebrus provides a centralized fault-tolerant system to manage and optimize the workload across the multiple computing nodes. The compute can be either on-prem or located on the cloud. Although Cerebrus learns from the metrics data generated by each scenario completely automatically, often engineering teams want to review and interact with the raw data. For this purpose, Cerebrus provides a comprehensive data analytics cockpit. We have worked with many customers and they've used Cerebrus in their ongoing tapeouts or in the process of adopting. We are seeing up to 10x better productivity and up to 20% better PPA results. PPA exploration is one of the areas where designers spend time and first area where Cerebrus is targeted. We are looking into the other areas where still significant time is spent by the designer and building solutions to improve both PPA and the productivity of the designer. Thank you.